Hi children, welcome to 13th tutorial of linear equations in one variable. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about some problems in exercise 2.5. Problem number 1. Roman 1. Solve the following equation. n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. This is the given equation. What is the given equation? N by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3. In left side, variable and constant terms are there. Right side, only constant term is there. So, we are sending the constant term to right side. Then, n by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. Take LCM for right side denominators 3 and 7. The LCM is 21. Therefore, n by 5 is equal to 14. Why should we write here 14? Because 3 cancel in 21 7 times. So 7 into 2, 14 plus 7 cancel in 21 3 times. 3 into 5, 15. So 14 plus 15, that is 29 by 21. N by 5 is equal to 29 by 21. So 5 is in denominator LHS part. Send this 5 to right side. Then n is equal to 29 by 21 into 5. Multiply these two numerators. So 29 into 5 is equal to 145 by 21. So the value of n is here 145 by 21. Go to second Roman in first problem. Solve the following equation. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equal to 14. Here we have two variable terms in LHS and constant term in RHS. So take LCM for 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 cancel in 12 4 times. So 4 into x, 4x, minus 4 cancel in 12 3 times, 3 into x, 3x is equal to 14. So 4x minus 3x, that is equal to x by 12 is equal to 14, and x is equal to 12 into 14. Send this 12 to right side. 12 into 14. So x is equal to 168. X is equal to 168. This is the second Roman. Now third Roman in first problem. Solve the following equation. Z by 2 plus Z by 3 minus Z by 6 is equal to 8. Here all variables are in LHS term and constant term is RHS. Now take LCM for 2, 3 and 6. The LCM is 6. LCM is 6. So 2 cancel in 6 3 times, that is 3z. 3 cancel in 2 times, that is 2z, minus 6 cancel in 1 time, so that is 1z. So 3z plus 2z minus z by 6 is equal to 8. Send this 6 to right side. 3z plus 2z is equal to 5z. 5z minus z is equal to 4z. 4z is equal to 48. 6 into 8 is equal to 48. Then z is equal to 48 by 4, that is 12. In this, z is equal to 12. Go to fourth Roman in first problem. Solve the following equation. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 11 2 by 3. This is mixed fraction. You have to convert this mixed fraction as improper fraction. So LHS is 2p minus 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 11 into 3, 33 plus 2. 35 by 3. This is improper fraction of this mixed fraction 11 2 by 3. Take LCM for 3 and 5 for LHS. So that is 15. 3 cancel in 15 5 times. 5 into 2 10p minus 5 cancel in 15 3 times. 3 into p 3p. So 10p minus 3p by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Send this 15 to right side. Then you get 7p is equal to 35 by 3 into 15. 3 cancel in 15 3 times. 3 into 5 times. 5 into 35 is equal to 175. So 7p is equal to 175 and p is equal to, here you have to write p not x, p is equal to 175 by 7, that is equal to 25. You have to write here this is not x, you have to write here p. Okay. Now move to next slide. So that is fifth problem. So solve the following equation. 9 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 1 1 by 3. Here LHS has only constant term and RHS is variable term and constant term. So these are also mixed fractions. You have to convert these mixed fractions as improper fractions. So 9 1 by 4 is equal to 9 into 4 36 plus 1 37 by 4 is equal to y minus, it is 3 into 1 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Send this 4 by 3 or you take LCM for RHS. LCM is 3. So y means y by 1. 1 cancelling 3 times, 3 into y 3y minus 4. So 37 by 4 is equal to 3y minus 4 by 3. Then by cross multiplication you get 3 into 37. 3 into 37 is equal to 4 into 3y minus 4. So 3 into 37 is equal to 111. So 4 into 3y, that is 12y, minus 4 into 4, 16. 16 here. So send this 16 to left side. So 111 plus 16 is equal to 12y. That is 12y is equal to 127. You add these two, you get 127. Then y is equal to 127 by 12. There is no common factor for 12 and 127. So therefore the answer of the equation is y is equal to 127 by 12. Now move to 6th Roman in first problem. Solve the following equation. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. All the variable terms and one constant term in LHS and one constant term in RHS. So by simplification you take LCM for 2, 5, 5, 10. The LCM is 10. So 2 cancelling 10 5 times, 5 into x 5x, minus 2 cancelling 5 10 2 times, 2 into 4 8, again 5 cancelling 2 times, 2 into x 2x, plus 10 cancelling 10 one time, 1 into 3x 3x is equal to 1 by 5. So 5x plus 2x plus 3x, these are variables. So 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10x minus 8 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. Again you can cancel 5 in 2 times or you cross multiplication. 5 into 10x minus 8 is equal to 10 into 1. So 50x minus 40 is equal to 10. Send this 40 to right side. You get 50x is equal to 10 plus 40, that is equal to 50. X is equal to 50 by 50, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So go to next example. The next Roman, 7th Roman in first problem. Solve the following equation. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Here one variable left side and one variable right side. So two variables on both sides, this type of equation. So take LCM for left side or right side, or you can change this variable to left side and constant to right side. Here I am taking variables to left side and constants to right side. So x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So LCM of LHS is 6. So 2 cancelling 3 times, that is 3x, minus 3 cancelling 2 times, that is 2x. Again LHS LCM for RHS is 4. 2 cancelling 4 2 times, 2 into 1 2, plus 4 cancelling 4 1 time, 1 into 1 1. So 3x minus 2x, you get x by 6 is equal to 3 by 4. Send this 6 to right side. So x is equal to 3 by 4 into 6, that is 9 by 2. 2 cancel in 2 times and 3 times here. So 3 into 3, 9 by 2. By simplification you get x is equal to 9 by 2. So go to 8th Roman in first problem. What is the given? Solve the following equation. 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is the given equation. So you take simply cross multiplication. Here 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. There is no need of LCM here. So directly you cross multiplication, you get this equation. So expand this equation. 3 into 2x, that is 6x, minus 3 into 3, 9, minus 2 into 3x, 6x, minus 6x, minus 2 into plus 2 is equal to minus 4. So 6x minus 9 is equal to minus 6x minus 4. Send variable to one side and constant to other side. 6x plus 6x is equal to minus 4 plus 9. So 12x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 by 12. X is equal to 5 by 12. Now go to 9th Roman in first problem. So solve the following equation. 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 4. In the same manner of 8th Roman. Given equation is 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 4. By cross multiplication you get 4 into 8p minus 5 is equal to minus 2 into 7p plus 1. By expanding this equation, 4 into 8, 32p minus 20 is equal to minus 14p minus 2. Sending variables to one side and constants to other side, you get 32p plus 14p minus 14p. Send it to left side, you get plus 14p. So 32p plus 14p is equal to minus 2 plus 20. So you get 46p is equal to 18. P is equal to 18 by 46. There is a common factor 2 for both 18 and 46. Cancel this 2 in 18 and 46, you get 9 by 23. The value of P is equal to 9 by 23. Go to 10th Roman. Solve the following equation. 7y plus 2 by 5 is equal to 6y minus 5 by 11. By cross multiplication, you get 11 into 7y plus 2 is equal to 5 into 6y minus 5. So by multiplication you get 77y plus 22 is equal to 30y minus 25. Then sending variables to one side and constants to other side. 77y minus 30y is equal to minus 25 minus 22. That is 47y is equal to minus 47. So y is equal to minus 47 by 47. You get minus 1. The value of y is here minus 1. Go to 11th Roman in first problem. Solve the following equation. X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Given equation is x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Taking LCM for left side part. So 6 and 9. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So 6 cancel in 18 3 times. 3 into x plus 5 minus 9 cancel in 18 2 times. 2 into x plus 1. So 3 into x plus 5 minus 2 into x plus 1 by 18 is equal to right side right as usual x plus 3 by 4. So by expanding this, what you have get 3x plus 15 minus 2x minus 2 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. X plus 3 by 4. So here 3x minus 2x, you get 1x. 15 minus 2, you get 13. So x plus 13 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now cross multiplication, you get 4 into x plus 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 3. By expanding this equation, 4x plus 52 is equal to 8x plus 54. 4x plus 52 is equal to 8x plus 54. Sending variables to one side and constants to other side, 4x minus 18x is equal to 54 minus 52. So minus 14x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by minus 14, that is equal to, by cancellation of 2 on both numerator and denominator, you get minus 1 by 7. You write minus 2 always numerator. So go to 12th example in first Roman. Solve the following equation. 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equal to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. Given equation has all variables. In every term we have variable. 3t plus 1 by 16, it is variable t. Minus 2t minus 3 by 7, it is also variable, is equal to t plus 3 by 8, it is also variable, plus 3t minus 1 by 14. Take LCM for left hand side and right hand sides. So you get LCM of 16 and 7 is 112. So 16 and 7, here 7 is prime number, there is no common factor for 16 and 7, so simply multiply these two. 16 into 7 you get 112. 16 cancel in 112 7 times. So 7 into 3t plus 1 minus 7 cancel in 112 16 times. 16 into 2t minus 3 is equal to, for right side, the LCM of 8 and 14, there is a common factor 8 and 14, 2 is a common factor. So LCM is 2 into 4 into 7, that is 2 into 4 8, 8 into 7 56. So 56 is the LCM. Now 8 cancel in 56 7 times, 7 into t plus 3 plus 14 cancel in 56 4 times, 4 into 3t minus 1. By expanding these brackets, you get 7 into 3t, that is 21t plus 7 minus 32t minus into minus plus 3 into 16 48 by 112. 70 plus 21 plus 4 into 3 12t minus 4 by 56. Here 56 is half of 112. You cancel 56, you cancel this 56 in 112 2 times. Then you get, by cross multiplication, here only 1. So 1 into 22. 1 into 22. By simplification you get numerator as minus 11t plus 55. Here 21t minus 32t, that is minus 11t plus 48 plus 7 is equal to 55 by 70 and by 112 is equal to 70 plus 12t, that is 19t plus 21 minus 4 is equal to 17. Then cancel 56 in one time, 56 in 112 2 times. So by cross multiplication you get this cancel. Here cancel 1 time and here 2 times. Then you get minus 11t plus 55 is equal to 2 into 19t plus 17. By multiplication you get minus 11t plus 55 is equal to 38t plus 34. Sending variable to one side. So 38t minus 11t to send to right side, you get 11t is equal to 55 minus 34. So by simplification you get it in 49t is equal to 21. T is equal to 21 by 49, that is 3 by 7. So this is some more difficult problem. You can, so many equations are there, you can observe this and note these questions in your notebook and then practice these questions. Thank you very much.